Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online quiz system, and I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is the PHP version 7, and the version is 5.6. And I am running this project on the JAM server. But if you are using the WAMP server or other PHP stacks, then you can easily configure and run this project on those server, right? Also, if you are using the Linux operating system, then you can configure this project on the LAMP stack. For Mac operating system, you can configure this project on the MAMP stack, right? So this is a web portal. So for front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used, like form validations and date calendar plugin integration. And for many things, I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is online quiz system, and it's a major project which has two types of level available. The first one is a student, and second one is a admin. So student has some set of restrictions, and teacher has some set of restrictions, right? Means teacher has all of the rights, but students has some set of restrictions, right? So let's start. Right, so this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple home page, and this is a bootstrap theme, right? This is about project, and this is about the project. So if you want to change the content, then just open the about.php, and you can change the content. You can add your name, email id, all those things here. This is a contact us page, and this is a Google Map contact us page, right? So if you want to change the means this contact us things, then you can change it from the contact.php. This is a user login. So you can see there are two types of login here: student login and teacher login. So teacher has some other login credentials, and student has some other login credentials. There is a sign up from where teacher can sign up. You can see from here teacher can sign up, and from I am a student, from here student can sign up, right? So you can see there are two separate forms, separate from the student and separate from the teacher, right? So user login. So from here teacher can log in. So let me log in through teacher first. So this is a teacher login, right? From here teacher can add the class report, exam report, and student report, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is add class. From here teacher will be able to add the classes, right? And after that, this is add exam. From here teacher will be able to add the exams, right? This is a report. From where class reports, all of the classes which is available will be listed here. This is the exam report. All of the exams which is available will be displayed here, right? Here there are two types of exam, right? The first one and the second one, right? And if you want to add the questions in the exam, just click on the add. From here you will be able to add the questions, right? So title will be here and option will be there, answer and descriptions, right? Next one, again the exam report, right? So if you want to see all of the questions, just click on the view, and you will be able to see all of the questions which belongs to that class, right? Once you click on the edit, you will be able to update the details of the questions, right? So again exam report. If you want to edit the exam details, then just click on the edit. You will be able to update the exam details, right? This is exam report again. And if you want to delete the exam, just click on the delete. You will be able to delete the exam. So this is a multi-purpose page from where you will be able to add the questions inside the exam. You will be able to view all of the questions of the exams. You can edit the questions from the exams. You can edit the exam details, and you can delete the exam details, right? This is a student reports, right? From where you will be able to find out all of the student details, right? From here you will be able to delete the student details, right? Once you click on the delete, the student details will be deleted permanently from the database, right? This is a my account section, from where admin means teacher will be able to update his account details, right? And the logout functionality. So one more thing I want to show you: the above header menu is totally session driven, and if you log out, then the above header menu will be displayed differently because the session is not set. So it will not show the administration option, right? So if I log in, then it will show the administration option, but if I log out, then it will not show the administration option, right? Now I am going to log in as a student. So once the student log in, right, then he will be able to get his dashboard. So student will be able to see my exams and log out, right? Once you click on the my exams, all of the exams which student belongs to, right, will be displayed here, right? So student belongs to a class, and if any question paper belongs to that class will be displayed here. So it's showing that Java questions, and it's showing that okay, Atul has already given this exam, and the exam score is 2 out of 5, right? So what I'm going to do, I am means deleting the marks of the student, so student will be able to attempt the details again, attempt the exam again, right? So let me do it from database directly. So I have deleted the entry of the exam of the students. Now you can see, I think there is something, uh, right, wait, okay. So I am deleting the all of the entry, right? So okay, okay, you can see. So I have deleted entry from the database, so the student will be able to attempt this exam again. So once he clicks on the start exams, so it will show next questions and all question one by one. So I am choosing it. So next question, and after that, after choosing all of the question, after attempting all of the questions, yeah, it will show your result, right? How many. So you can see already taken, and your score is 3 out of 4, right? You have chosen 3 correct answers out of 4, right? So if you go on the dashboard and if you click on the my exams, you it will show you that you have attempted this exam, right? Already taken a score is this one, right? So if teacher adds any new exams and that belongs to that student class, will be displayed there, right? Here you can see my exam sections and the logout. So once students log out, then he will not be able to access the internal pages, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.